How to make a photo collage on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishalka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Shortcuts application on your device and go ahead and tap on the gallery option you see there. Just in case if you do not have the Shortcuts application, then you can download it from the App Store, as Shortcuts is the inbuilt app of iPhone. Now, once you have opened Shortcuts, tap on the gallery option and then tap on the search bar you see there and search for photo grid and tap on it. Here, tap on the plus icon you see there, and with this, photo grid will be added to your library. So tap on the library option again and then tap on the photo grid option you see there. You will then directly be led to your photos, so go ahead and select the pictures that you want to make a grid of, and once selected, tap on the Done option on the top right of your screen. Further, as you can see, the grid has been created. You can then tap on the share icon on the bottom left of your screen, and with this, you will see the option for saving the grid to your camera roll. So tap on the share icon and then tap on the save image, and with this, the photo will be saved to your camera roll. You can also tap on the markup option you see there and add in markups for your image if you want, and if not, then you can simply open Photos, and as you can see here, the picture has been saved. So this was about how you can make a photo collage on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.